Hey, it's MOLOCH, and I just want to show you a recent purchase that I had. It's some art I got from an artist I follow on Instagram who I really like. Their name is Jessica Luna, and she is Italian, and she goes by Eat Slugs on Instagram. She's a huge Ilya K fan. She's got some cool kind of manga-influenced art in her feed. She also has an art station. I'll probably put links to like her Instagram and art station if I get around to it for sure in the description. Yeah, definitely check her out. She's pretty awesome. I'm a little bit worried though. This did come all the way from Italy. Written on the front is non piegare, which means do not bend or fold. But as you can see, the mailman doesn't care. So as an artist, it happened with my first. I think in one of my other videos I mentioned the first. Let's see. The first package I ever sent out of art was to someone in New York City. I only sold it for $15. Unfortunately, the package was very severely bent and destroyed when it arrived there. So I sent him a high-res scan that I had taken because I try to scan every drawing I do. Felt really bad though. And since then I've actually really improved how I package my artwork. It's packed away in the box. But one of these days I'll show you guys how I ship art and kind of how I make it look professional and also how I keep it safe, which is really important because you know what, the mailman doesn't give half a shit about your art. Yeah. It's bent. That's frustrating. We'll try and put it between two books. It's kind of disappointing. I think I spent a little over $60 on this art. And it would be a little more understandable if it would be her first sale. I know she does a lot through Gumroad, so she doesn't end up doing a lot of the packaging for her prints, but I'm pretty sure she's sold some originals before, so this is kind of disappointing. It is tough as an artist, and you're always trying to figure things out, but you got to be really careful because a lot of artists and the whole creative industry as a whole, and sometimes for good reason and because of some bad examples and bad people out there, there are some kind of bad stereotypes and sort of assumptions, negative assumptions about artists and creatives, which is really unfortunate, especially for those who are trying to do things honest and work hard. And so as an artist, you got to be really careful about your reputation, I feel like. And that doesn't necessarily mean you have to be a prude or a goody two-shoes, but it just means, you got to be conscious that what you do is going to affect other artists and also affect your future work. Because it's a sensitive career, whether you like it or not. The note says, "Thank you for your support," with a nice little heart. I hope you like it. Does that say Eat Slugs? She signed her handle. That's cute. There you go. I have an Eat Slugs original. A Jessica Luna original. Pretty sure it's from Perfect Blue, referencing the anime. Pretty weird movie, but very beautiful. Probably need to watch it again or research it more. Yeah, she does very lovely work, as you can see. But I'm really sad it's bent. It's kind of a frail drawing, so extra care should have been taken. Wonderful art, wonderful artist, but the shipping leaves something to be desired. And I'm torn because, I love this artist and I follow them. And I really appreciate what they do, so much that, I bought a piece from them. And that's pretty much just about everything I have on the channel right now, because it's basically funded just by me, and I'm not really making money from the channel yet. So if you see something on the channel, there's a high probability that I love it, or that I had an interest in it. And so I have nothing against Jessica Luna, and I love her art. And you should follow her, check her out, and buy her art. But I hope that if she sees this, she maybe thinks about switching up her packaging, especially for international orders at the very least. Because it's pretty sad, especially because this is an original. This is the one and only, even if there are other prints that exist of this. This is the one done by her hand. So it's kind of sad it's a little damaged. but it is still beautiful. And as soon as I get around to being able to buy some frames and stuff, I'm going to start hanging up all my cool stuff, and hopefully you guys will see it in the background of some of my videos when I start to do videos in rooms and I start to get a better space and start to work closer and closer to some of my dreams. Again, you guys are what makes it possible just by watching the videos. Subscribing helps even more, and becoming a patron on Patreon would help even more than that if you're feeling particularly generous or really enjoy the channel. So check those things out. Check out this artist, and I hope you check out more of my videos. Take care.